Okay, now we're gonna make this really cute t-shirt for back to school. So the first thing that I did is I took some ribbon and I folded it back. So I have my fusible tape right here. And I love this because it's double stick. So you just have to peel it off. I have a little mark there to remind me where I want to place it. And this tape is really awesome because you just stick it down and it fuses to the fabric so you can actually wash it. Then I'm just gonna put this under here. Now what I'm gonna do is take another piece of ribbon and I'm just going to dovetail the ends. Take a piece of my fuse tape. I'm gonna just put this right here and I'm gonna take another piece of my tape and put that right there. And I'm gonna take another piece here and that right there and press it pretty hard there. Put this right here. And then I'm gonna just tape that there. I'm gonna just move this aside and I'm gonna take my mini Bowdabra and I have the hair bow tool and I have it on the centimeter side. I'm just gonna lay that over my mini Bowdabra. I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half and lay it down into my mini Bowdabra and I'm just gonna tuck the ends underneath. Next I'm gonna take my ribbon and I've already sealed the ends. I'm just gonna make a little mountain here and put that in. And I'm gonna do the same thing here, just make a little mountain and push that into my mini Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna measure about 7 centimeters. Again, I'm gonna make my little mountain and push that down. So I've got 7 centimeters on each side. Now I'm gonna take my corker ribbon that it's really cool. You buy it in kind of a long strand and then you can cut it to whatever size you want. Scrunch this all down here. Take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull the ends through my slip knot, hold my bow in the mini Bowdabra, pull my bow really tight, and pull it out, separate the ends, bring them around to the back. And I'm gonna now put my bow, get this the way I want it, and take some of my fusible webbing and I'm just gonna secure that. I'm also gonna put some here and also here so that's really gonna hold the bow extremely secure. And just press that, hold it, and you have an absolutely adorable shirt. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.